Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tutorials by Nitin. I hope that you all are doing well. So in today's second class of Photoshop, we will learn about lasso tool, crop tool and spot healing brush. So without wasting much time, let's jump into the class. First, we will create a document by pressing Ctrl N or go to File, and here is our saved preset, that is 1920 by 1080 pixel, and little bit change, background should be white. Create. Now in previous class we already learned about move tool, selection tool and little bit about brush tool. So and some preferences settings to increase our workflow. In today's class we will start with the lasso tool. Lasso tool, three type of lasso tool: polygonal lasso tool and magnetic lasso tool. Shortcut for this lasso tool is L. By pressing L, lasso tool will be selected. Now see, when you press right click on this lasso tool icon, it will show three options: lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool and magnetic lasso tool. First we will select lasso tool. Lasso tool is only when we select anything freely, like freely we have no points, just like a pencil drawing or anything, you can say just select freely anything. When you join the starting point with the end point, this will select. This is the simple lasso tool. Like we will open any image, see, like lasso tool, I will select this like this. You can select freely without any point, without any corner. Okay, now next is polygonal lasso tool. Polygonal lasso tool is like we can create point. This is more accurate than lasso tool. Like we have to select only. Yes, when we suppose we are selecting this pigeon and you place a wrong point, then press delete to delete the last point of your selection tool, that is polygonal lasso tool, and again you can continue with your previous selection. And don't forget to connect the starting point with the end point. When you will click on the starting the end point or connecting to starting and end point, there will be show a little circle on tool. See, there is no circle, there is circle. That means we are joining the correct point. Okay. Now third one is magnetic lasso tool. Magnetic lasso tool is when you single click on the tool and move the cursor toward the object, it will automatically, like how we can say, like a magnet, step by step, or you can say like a magnet points created with this tool. See, just start with the single click. Here is our starting point, click, and our pigeon is be selected. By pressing Ctrl D, we deselect the selection. So these are the selection tool of Photoshop: lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, and magnetic lasso tool. Now second is crop tool. Crop tool is 4 types: crop tool, perspective crop tool, slice tool, and slice select tool. We will discuss today crop tool, perspective crop tool, and slice tool. Let's select the crop tool. Shortcut of crop tool is C. See, when we select the crop tool, here are the borders around our image. You can slide the border like this or this, horizontally, vertically. It's depend on how you can set your frame with crop. When you select, press this check mark, or you can press enter. Here is our crop image. I am doing Ctrl Z. Now next is perspective crop tool. Perspective crop tool we can use like we can crop this window in a straight. So select the first point, select the second point, and select the third point, and select the fourth point, and click on check mark. Here is our perspective crop. Ctrl Z. You can crop any perspective. You can extract any perspective view from your image. Now next is slice tool. Slice tool still not usable in the image. We will discuss this tool later because this will help in when we create carousels like Instagram sliders, and this tool helps in that case. So next is spot healing brush. Shortcut of spot healing brush is J. Select the spot healing brush, right click. You can increase the size of your brush, decrease the size of your brush, and hardness, increase the hardness of your brush and decrease the hardness of your brush. Also you can change the angle of your brush, or you can change the rotation of your brush. Let's start with the 100 pixel. Now suppose we have to remove this wire. Remove this wire from the image. So select spot healing brush and just click once and drag over the wire and wait. See, wire is removed. This is called spot healing brush. Like we can move this part of wire. Sometimes we have to repeat the same process to clear the spots of, you can say spots, you can say simply spots. We have to remove this spots of wire from the image. See, here is remove the, suppose we have to remove this pigeon. Let's do this and wait for it. The AI of Photoshop will be automatically remove the object, or you can say remove the spot. See, this is spot healing brush. I am pressing Ctrl Z. Now there is one more interesting tool we will discuss today. First I will change the photo. Let's open this image. Now simply we have to change the color of dress. So in Photoshop 2021 there is a tool, color replacement tool. Shortcut for color replacement tool is B. You can say, actually you think B for brush tool. When you press B, like I select brush tool, when you press B it will default select brush tool. When you press Shift B, it will select second option of the brush tool like pencil tool. When you again press Shift B, it will select the third option, that is color replacement tool. So B is the shortcut of color replacement tool. Now just select the color which you want to change red into. We will change into some blue or sea green. Okay, now just paint over the red area. See, it will change the red color to our selected color. The benefit of color placement tool is, after changing the color, the shadows and highlights of our subject will not affected with this tool. See, and the drawback of this tool is, when you are replacing color, we have to, like here we have to delete this part, we have to Ctrl Z. We have to do Ctrl Z like this. This is the color replacement tool in Photoshop 2021. So in today's class we learned about lasso tool, or you can say selection tool, and crop tool, and perspective crop tool, and color replacement tool. Hope you guys have enjoyed today's class. Please hit the like button, and for any query comment down below, and hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed it yet. And in next class we will learn about healing brush, patch tool, stamp tool, and eyedropper, and more. So stay tuned for next class. Thank you. Bye. Stay home. Stay healthy.